All right.
Howdy, friends. I'm Danny Goodwin.
Ed Schwarzschild.
And we got our box of books, one box of several boxes, but we're finally going to open this up and have a look at Job Security from MIT Press.
This is the unboxing video.
This is the official unboxing video.
And there's paper in there. Oh, look, it's good. Yeah, got a couple. But most importantly, how does it smell? Does it smell? Nice paper. MIT Press did an awesome job. We're grateful to everyone there. Katie, Winnie, Nick, Sam, Justin.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for making this beautiful book.
Thank you, MIT. And thank you, University of Albany and the University Art Museum on the campus of UAlbany State University of New York. Come to our exhibition public reception on Friday the 13th, September 13th.
5 to 7 o'clock. 2 floors of amazing art and collaborative things that we built and all kinds of stuff. We have videos. Here's the book. Enjoy it.